Wake up, morning set in motion for me. Clear cut, put on the emotion, guaranteed. And when they drag me by my feet, pick me up and march me to the beat. Make me complete, high miles above the street, staring as I pass me by myself to see. Then I breathe, nothing but a shadow, caught up in routine. Can I see the person beneath? The days go by so uniformly, tightly controlled and determined for me, yeah. Showered in fame, my fans adore me. Only way to fuck it up is to be boring. I don't get the messages, they don't come to me. Everything that I can say is spoken for me, yeah. Get up, afternoon is nauseous. Get fucked, God, I'm so pathetic. And when I rip you out my chest, won't you realize you're just obsessed? I'll fight a precedent, the blood is obsessed. Watch me as I eat my heart out, dispossessed. Something's got me doubting, am I anything? Am I even a person beneath?